guys, welcome back to T&LeeTV, and today I'm doing lamb steaks.
What you say now? What you do now? T&Lee, and we back with the crew now. Crab shrimp, and you know we review now. Cooking up all this real nice food now. What you said now? What you need now? MUKBANG green screen HD now. Go ahead and subscribe, join the family. T&Lee is the place to be.
Alright y'all, so welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see, I have lamb steaks on the menu. This is my first time trying lamb steaks and cooking lamb steaks. So I'm going to insert a little clip and show you guys a little bit of what I seasoned this with and what it looks like. Okay guys, here are my lamb steaks, and I have them all seasoned up really good. I got the recipe from my moo recipe, and hopefully I love it. It's just some lemon, fresh squeezed lemon, Italian seasoning, salt and pepper. I put accent on mine, and some garlic. So there's the pan. I'm about to put the olive oil in there, and I'll let you know what it looks like when I'm done. That was it. First time trying it. Again, shout out to my moo, Prissy P, for giving me the recipe. She says that this one works really well. I tasted my finger. I didn't taste the lamb steak, but it was good. It was real good. So I already know she know how to cook, so I trusted what she told me. So anyways, I'm ready to get into this. Before we get started into the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to T&LeeTV because y'all know it's supposed to be. Don't forget to check the description box down below for all of our personal channels as well as Nyiah. And if you're curious as to what lip gloss I have on, it is the NYICE by ITZSONYIAH. This is It's Glossy. The link for that will be in the description box down below. If you want to go ahead and purchase your own, they are for sale right now. So I know you don't have to ask anymore. They're going to be in the description box. The link is right there. Click on the link. Don't forget to use the promo code NYICE if you want 10% off $30 or more. So don't forget that. And then also I had a Juneteenth sale that was going on that I did choose to extend, so y'all can take advantage of that. That's 19% off of everything in her store. All you have to do is use the discount code FREEDOM. All right, y'all, so yeah. Let me say my grace so I can get into this. Lord, I thank you for this food. You bless me. I should bless me as I eat it. Bless me nutrition to my body. Lord, please don't let it hurt harm to bless me for this food. In your son. Lord, please don't let it hurt harm to come to me for eating this food or drinking this drink. In your son Jesus' name I pray. Amen. Y'all, he doing that because he hear Lee coming in the door. So he just got to be extra. But yeah, I gave y'all a little close-up. How do y'all think I did? I think I did pretty good. So let's taste it. I hope these ain't get too cold. Let's give it a taste. Let's give it a taste. Lamb steak. They look so cute. They look like little mini T-bones. Hey, babe. Y'all, we just came in. So I'm cutting it. This looks like the filet mignon side. So there's that. I hope y'all can see. Hope I'm focused. That's good. Wow. I have a better rice here. That's good. Wow. Okay. Just a little piece with the fat on it. Wow. How about it? Y'all, this is good. Okay. So Y'all know, well, if you don't know, you should know that your girl Prissy can cook. So when she gave me the recipe, I was just like, I'm gonna do it because I know I love her food. I just love the way her food is. It's always so good to me every time I eat it. So I just knew, like, if she told me this is gonna be good on it, it's gonna be good. I'm gonna try it. Y'all have to try it. I gave y'all the ingredients at the beginning of the video or in the little clip. Oh my God, this is so good. And that fresh squeezed lemon. Oh my God. She said that's gonna take it to another level, and she ain't never lie. I didn't even tell you what I had to drink. I got some sweet tea right here from Publix. Right here. Hey. Wow. Again, y'all, this is my first time. You're not getting none of this. I'm sorry. This is my first time making lamb. I've never made lamb before. I think I've had it. I've had lamb like once. I think I tried it, but it was so bland. I think you know how the grocery store, I was in Publix, and they were giving out samples, but it's like they literally put the meat in the pan. They put no salt, no pepper, nothing. It just tastes like nothing. And I was just like, okay, that's weird. But I have had goat before, but not lamb. Not that I can ever remember. I don't think so. But it's really good. It's like, they look like little T-bone steaks. Just like it. I don't know if I can see that. Little T-bone steaks, little porterhouses, little mini ones. That's exactly what it looked like. Oh my God. I haven't eaten today either, y'all. Just is hitting the spot. To me, the lamb tastes like a mixture of beef and pork, if that makes sense. I don't know. But it's like a beefy, porky taste. It don't taste just like beef. It tastes like beef and pork. Oh my God. I saw, y'all know they have the lamb chops. Those are more expensive. I saw Prissy and Mama Bree eat those like a few years ago, and they ate it with some type of mustard type of something. I wanted it so bad. I was like, ooh, they made it look so good, but I was just like, I never cooked lamb before, so I was kind of afraid. So we got these from a meat market that me and Lee went to. We're actually, y'all know we're in Atlanta now. We're in Georgia. So we were looking for something. I think we're looking for a specific place, and then we end up seeing a Circle K now. In Atlanta, they have QT, or you know, the Atlanta area, whether it's the outskirts or whatever, they have QT. They don't have Circle K's. So they have Circle K's in Florida though. At least I've never seen a Circle K before this one that we saw that day. So Lee was like, oh my God, they got a Circle K, babe. Let's go get a Polar Pop. I was like, oh, okay, let's go. So we went to go get a Polar Pop, and in the midst of getting the Polar Pop, there was a meat store right next to the Circle K. If you don't know what that is, that's the gas station. Pull the pops out of drinks. So also, let's check out the meat store because we've been looking for a meat store in Georgia and we haven't been able to find any that looked appealing to us. So we decided to go into this one. And we walked in, you know, we looked at the meat, make sure the meat looked good, like it didn't look, you know, old or whatever. So we end up getting some pork steaks from there. And that's all we really wanted. So we got the pork steaks, and on our way out, we saw a cooler. And the cooler had lamb chops and it had lamb steaks. The lamb chops were like $17 a pound. It was so expensive. And I wanted to try it, but I was just like, that's too much to pay for something that you don't know if you're gonna like it. So, oh, that's so good. They also had lamb steaks, but they were whole. Like the lamb steaks were whole, like a whole piece. So you can't really tell what it was. And we were trying to look at it, and the guy, the owner of the store, I'm assuming, he was just like, yeah, you should take advantage. The lamb steaks were much cheaper. They were $9.99 a pound. And he was just like, I'm telling you, he was like, just go with the lamb steaks. He was like, they're just as good. He was like, people sleep on them all the time. Basically, that's what he said. In so many words. He was like, people don't go to them, but they're so good. Like, and they're much cheaper. You should try them. So we was like, the lamb chops we know we're going to get. It was too expensive. So we just went with the lamb steaks. So he took them in the back and he cut them up for us in like 6 little steaks. And he was telling us that, I'm eating, y'all. He was telling us, that was a big piece of fat, but that they look like T-bones, little T-bones and stuff, little porterhouses. And you know, we were just like, they don't look like T-bones to us. Lee was like, it don't look like it to me. He was like, when I cut it up, it will. I was like, okay. When he cut it up and brought it back, I'd be darned if they didn't look just like little T-bones and porterhouses. I was just like, oh, I bet. So we said we'll try it. So it ended up coming up to, how much did we spend for this? Like $16. It was more than a pound, of course. So it was like $16 that we spent, I think. I was like, we'll give it a try. We'll see. He was like, I'm telling you. I guarantee you're going to like them. That's what he said. I guarantee you're going to like them. We were just like, okay, we'll like them. So I'm just now getting to cooking them. And I love them. It tells you. That Italian seasoning. It tells you, if you look up like how long to cook them, it tells you that you basically, I can't even talk. You basically cook them like a steak. You don't want to overcook them or you'll make them tough. So I cook mine a little bit longer than I would my normal steak because I'm not familiar with lamb. Too good. But it was still, it's still cooked to like a medium. Medium well. Now, so if you overcook them, they'll be tough. And I didn't want to overcook them and then have a bad experience. So I tried to listen. Y'all. Oh my God. This is so good. Jesus. Be offense. I want to go back. That was a lot of fat. That man told us. Put my bones over here. I'm telling y'all, y'all should get them. Y'all gonna be back. That's what he said, but of course we weren't gonna listen because, you know, we never had them. Like, it's easy to say. Like, you know, sometimes everyone likes something, but then you don't. So it wasn't like it was like $5, $6. These were pretty expensive to not know if you like it or not. So we were just like, we just want to try them. So it's okay if they're not here when we come back. That's what we were saying. And when, he was definitely right when he said that these are some of the cheaper ones, because when I saw lamb chops other places, it's so much more expensive. So he was right about that. He was running some type of sale, and I'm glad we did it. I'm so glad. Now Leah be scared to eat them like this, just like he is with beef. So I would have to make his a little bit longer. But oh my God. If you are curious about lamb and you never had it before, I would definitely recommend, please get them. Get the lamb steaks. I honestly don't even care about trying the lamb chops. I mean, I will, but I don't even have to. You know, I always can tell when I'm really enjoying my meal. So, I'm pretty sure y'all can tell. Making this one to bite it. And it's just like how I'm making such a mess. You know how a steak, regular beef, has the tenderloin part and then the New York strip part? Or the T-bone on the porterhouse? It's just like that. The tenderloin part is more tender, and the New York strip side has more of a bite. I'm a happy girl. Ooh. And these were so easy to make. Now, you know how you see people make lamb and they use like, when I used to see it on TV, I used to see people be like, oh, you need the mint jelly. I'm like, mint jelly? Ew. I always heard stuff like that, so I never really wanted to try it. When I was young, I'm like, mint jelly? That sounds awful. Not saying it's bad because I don't know. Never had it. But there's always a no for me for them. They have a thick piece of fat on there. It tastes. They'll go on Netflix, turn on by itself again. I don't know why I keep doing that. But anyway. The fat is good. You seen Netflix turn on by itself? The fat is good, but I ain't want to eat like too much of it. Some people love that. Not my sister. But yeah. To the very last drop. Now you gotta try it. You have to. That's so good. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. This was so delicious and it was well worth the long wait that I took to cook them. I would definitely recommend you try it. Renee just tried it and she likes it. And Renee is picky, so you know it's the winner to her. Again, if you're wondering about the gloss that I have on my lips, it's Glossy by NYICE by ITZSONYIAH. Make sure you check the link in the description box down below and make you a purchase. Go support ITZSONYIAH. Support her small business. I would really appreciate it. And go get you some lamb chops or some lamb steaks, y'all. Go get y'all some. These are so delicious and I definitely will be eating these again on the channel. Even though they're kind of pricey, you know, you pay for what you want. So that's it and that's all. I love y'all. Thank y'all for joining me and I will see you guys on the next video.